Hello friends, this is another series we are starting for you, and in this you'll be getting one word or idiom every day from us. And today's idiom of the day is spill the beans. So what do we mean by spill the beans? When you reveal somebody's secret, मतलब जो secret जो आपको secret ही रखना चाहिए, and you should not share with someone, but you do, then you spill the beans. Like there are people, I think, in a group जो कुछ चीज़ों को राज रख नहीं सकते. Even if you tell them not to share with anyone, they will definitely do. तो वैसे ही अगर हमारे ग्रुप में मान लीजिए we have planned a surprise party for someone, और हमें किसी एक पर डाउट है कि he may spill the beans, कि वो हो सकता है कि जाकर उसको पहले से बता दे कि हम उसको सरप्राइज पार्टी देने वाले हैं. तो he may spill the beans. Like we say, I gave him a tight slap and he spilled the beans. Means he was not telling, he was hiding something from us. But when I gave him a tight slap, he spilled the beans. तो सारे राज जो थे उसने उगल दिए, उसने सब बता दिया हमें. Or we say like, we ask questions sometimes, who spilled the beans? Means if we planned something which was a surprise for everyone, but जब हमने surprise दिया तो कोई surprise हुआ ही नहीं, क्योंकि उन्हें पहले से पता था. So obviously we'll ask this question, who spilled the beans? Now I'll ask you the same question. Have you ever spilled the beans? कभी आपके साथ हुआ ऐसा कि आपने किसी को किसी के राज या जो बातें छुपा कर रखनी चाहिए थी, you shared with someone. So use this idiom in your language. We'll see you with next idiom tomorrow.